Folks, I have a heat gun which has a temperature range of one setting is 750 degrees and 1120 degrees. I'm going to use this in the video to show you how to flatten these edges out really quick using the heat gun. Now, I had my camera set up wrong in fast speed, so you're going to see the fast speed operation of me using the heat gun. Don't let it sit in one spot too long, because you're going to heat it up till it will actually melt. So you should use your hand to determine how hot the material is after you've used the heat gun. So if you've never used one before, you cannot just hold it there in a spot. But if you use it properly, and as I show you, put your hand up there, and I'm going to show you a little bit here, is heat it and run your hand over it, and you'll be able to feel and tell if it's getting too hot. Then you want to move right around the edges is what you have to do, and this will greatly speed up your installation of your mat. This is my own instructions, the way I do things, and I'm passing information on to you of how to get this to lay flat quickly. Okay, I'm showing laying the mat out. The edges want to curl and roll up. The heat gun greatly flattens out because it actually heats it up so that it will be soft and pliable and hold the shape that you flatten it down. You can see real easy right there, it's going down and going flat. It would take a long time for it just naturally flatten out. So the heat gun really quickens the operation. Okay folks, we've got the mat installed under the desk, and the dimensions are 63 long by 51 wide, and we have it positioned with the 63 going out to give her more room to maneuver.
I sit here, and I quite often have to go, well, over to this drawer. Yeah, it scoots very well. It does feel like it's more secure. It's not just running across and I have to stop it. Quite often I go over here to this my Alexa and stuff like that.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet.
Oh, sorry, Alexa.
It looks like an issue with a rather different device. So try.
Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, it feels more secure, safer. I'm not just rolling around easily.
Once the